Well, dear students, here the heading is energy of simple harmonic oscillator. Any body which oscillates simple harmonically, any particle, anything which oscillate to and fro about fixed point is called simple harmonic oscillator. Now I told you that equation of acceleration in simple harmonic motion is alpha is equal to minus omega square y. From Newton's second law, F is equal to m alpha, F is equal to ma, unbalanced force. If I put this here, we get minus m omega square y. Omega square m constant, so force increase with y. If y0 means here, no force there. Minus sign indicates that force toward equilibrium point. And the force which bring the body back, or which always act opposite to displacement, that will be trying to bring the body to initial position, is called restoring force. A student get puzzled, what is the meaning of restoring force? So in simple, when a body is oscillating simple harmonically at any distance, suppose here at distance y, say I take it y, body will have certain velocity as well as some force will be acting on it. This force proportional to minus y is variable force. So some work has to be done against variable force, and work done by force is the ability to do work, and that is called potential energy. When some force of attraction or repulsion act on body, then work done in against that force is called potential energy. So a body oscillating simple harmonically at any instant will have energy in the form of kinetic energy and potential energy. In case of simple harmonic motion, the values of two energy keep on changing, because in simple harmonic motion, displacement, acceleration, velocity keep on changing periodically. So we calculate now, let at any instant of time the displacement, velocity and acceleration of motion are given by respectively y equal to a sin omega t, or velocity v equal to a omega cos omega t. If velocity is then, acceleration, displacement y sin omega t, we get v equal to a omega cos omega t, and then acceleration alpha equal to minus a omega square sin omega t, or you can say minus omega square y also. Equation 3. Now I told you that particle oscillating will have energy in the form of kinetic and potential. So here I take first kinetic energy. If V the velocity, we know if a body of mass, if a body of mass m is moving with the velocity v, then kinetic energy possessed by the body is given by Ke equal to half mv square. But in SSM v equal to this. Putting this value of Ke is equal to half m v square, square of this side, a square omega square cos square omega t. So this is the kinetic energy at time t. Now as omega t keep on varying, when omega t is equal to 0, that is displacement 0, the cos of 0 0, cos 0 1, then kinetic energy will be maximum, that is Ke maximum equal to half m a square omega square, omega 2 pi upon t, 2 pi upon t or 1 upon t, 2 pi n also, since n equal to 1 upon t, n is called frequency. In the name of syllabus, which is given by board officially, some topics are deliberately left. Like in SHM, simply you are given a simple arm motion, but I think this heading of kinetic energy potential is not given, but it is used further in physics at every step. Wave motion cannot be understood if we don't know what is SHM. So 2 pi m. So please learn this topic seriously. This is important. और K maximum, कुछ बड़ी बात आएगी यहाँ पे चल करते हैं. ओमेगा की जगह if I put 2 pi m, half m a square into 4 pi square n square, ये 2 कैंसिल तो 2 pi square m a square n square. This term is very important. Ke maximum depend upon square of amplitude, the square of frequency. Now I come to potential energy. I told you definite potential energy when work is done against some force, then the work done appear in the form of potential energy. We know in SHM, the restoring force F is equal to minus omega a omega square नहीं क्या है ओमेगा स्क्वायर एम भी तो हो गया एम ओमेगा स्क्वायर वाई एम मास ऑफ बॉडी ओमेगा एंगल फ्रीक्वेंसी एज y इक्वल टू 0 f इक्वल टू 0 तो दिस फोर्स विल बी इंक्रीजिंग तो व्हेन वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट burden by variable force so there are different methods we take average force we use integration method now we can take here when y equal to 0 force F1 equal to 0 when y equal to y some displacement F2 equal to m omega square I take the magnitude only here so average force when body is carried a distance y away from midpoint F bar equal to average force F1 plus F2 by 2 that is half m omega square y by definition of work तो burden against restoring force देखो पास में I am telling the body oscillate here about fixed point it is here force acting this way we are carrying this way so we need to apply some external force in carrying the body away so that force minus sign get cancelled there so that burden in carrying या in displacing body from midpoint a distance y w is equal to f bar into y what is f bar half m omega square y into y then this burden happen in the form of potential energy so P is equal to I write half m omega square y square half m omega square y square but y equal to a sin omega t so potential energy half m omega square a square sin square omega t again if omega t is 0 then potential is 0 और omega t 0 when body is at equilibrium position तो at equilibrium position potential 0 but kinetic maximum थी वहाँ so total energy so total energy of simple harmonic oscillator U is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Dear student, this topic is very important. I am telling you Not for exam point of view. To understand further physics, you are learning here nothing. You are learning simple like to learn mathematics. You learn table, addition, subtraction, division, and general. So these things are very fundamental to physics. If you don't know these things, you forget this thing, then you will not be able to understand physics further. The subject is very important, very good subject. Just to have the some myths created in mind. To remove, if you want to remove the myths, learn science, understand science. People have understood, learn physics, but some myths are not clear. And there are many things. Physics, science of the study of nature. What is happening around us? Why it is happening? But for that you have to learn these things. So that kind was half ma square omega square cos square omega t was the kind potential. Half m a square omega square sine square omega t. Now this thing is common to all. So u is equal to half m bracket cos square omega t plus sine square omega t. This is one you know very well. So that u is equal to half m a square omega square. Total energy. You have got this expression as maximum kind energy or maximum potential energy. So total energy, sum of kind potential is equal to the maximum potential kind बराबर होते हैं. As omega 2 pi m. So total energy of oscillator half m a square into 4 pi square n square. So this total energy come out to be u is equal to half, 2 can cancel, 2 pi square m n square a square. Yes, sir. 2 pi square n square a square m. There is reason here to write like this. M mass of the oscillating body. Mass may be particle of this mass may be particle or may be the mass of material or certain volume. We can take that energy of oscillator. Larger the amplitude of oscillation is that increases as a square. When you struck the bell of school gently, you get sound but not loud sound, because you have given sound. Sound is also a form of energy, so you produce vibration. Now when you hit the bell with hammer by large force, you get loud sound because amplitude increases. Just coming, we will look at chapter of sound. What is sound? Sound is vibration. That is why I am telling you, please take this topic very serious and learn it properly. Now, this energy I told you, K maximum कितना था हमारा? वो भी यही था 2 pi square n square a square m. और potential maximum भी यही था 2 pi square n square a square m. Now I wrote there that kind energy equal to half mv square था. V the velocity line, and you know v square equal to omega square into a square minus y square. So ke can be written as half m omega square bracket a square minus, and potential energy also was there, half m omega square y square. If you add these two again to total energy, so sum of this and this, half m omega square a square minus half m omega square y square, or plus half m omega square y square. So cancel हो गए, total में बचेगी half m. In next video I will be telling you graph of variation of kinetic potential and total energy. So I hope you will learn properly. If you watch video and feel it interesting, please like video first. Subscribe if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe and ask your friend. Actually, I am working for those students who are unable to reach a teacher. All teachers try to give maximum, but nowadays scenario is different. Actually, commercialization of education is there, and please learn and take that video seriously. It will help you to understand physics further. Thank you.